letter do you have in front of you, Imran?
U.
And what is the sound for U? Good job. Do you have anything that starts with U?
U is for utensils.
U.
V. What is the sound for V, Imran? Good job. And do you have anything that starts with a V?
These were vitamins. Vitamins. I like vitamins to make me strong.
Which vitamin do you like? Vitamin C?
This one?
What flavor do you like?
I
Do you like the one tastes like orange or you like the one tastes like pineapple?
the one that tastes like pineapple.
Really? Nice.
U. V. W.
What's the sound for W, Imran?
W.
Anything that starts with W?
Water.
Wow, bottle of water. Good for you.
U.
Mm-hmm.
V. W. X.
X. What's the sound for X, Imran? And do you have anything that starts with X?
X is for X-ray fish.
U. V. W. X. Y.
Y. What's the sound for Y, Imran?
Yeah.
And do you have anything that starts with Y with you?
Yogurt.
And
I don't know.
what do you call that? Yum.
Him.
Yep. Do you have in front of you?
Z.
Z. And what's the sound for Z?
Z.
What starts with Z? Do you have anything that starts with Z? Oops. Z is for Z.